Hey my friends.
Oh, hi.
So many of you wanted me to do an original creation instead of an remake, so I thought, challenge accept. I grabbed my Future Bass sample pack and started messing around with a Billie Eilish acapella. I think some of you can learn something out of it. So this is the whole project. It looks very messy, but I tell you guys, yes it is. But I will explain to you everything I did here. At first, I tried to figure out with a cool bass line that fitted well to the acapella. So I came up with a first bass sound that sounded very aggressive to me. For the processing I've done some echoing, I threw some heavy distortion on it, more EQ, OTT compression, and even more EQ. Then I took the best reverb on the planet and automated it like this, so it sounded like this. To make the bass line thicker, I added a simple sub-bass underneath with some echoing like this. And then I went into my Slaphouse sound bank and added these nice respace. So the whole bass line sounds like this. Then I added some plucks that should support the overall tensioning feeling of the intro. I just picked 3 pluck sounds from my Future Bass sample pack, and I started messing around with a progressive tensioning melody. After some echoing, distortion and compression I added the pan man that lets it pan from left to right to give it some movement. And I added some halftime to make it sound cooler. Then I added another pluck that plays just a filling melody in the background. It also pans from left to right. Then after 2 bars, the bass line changes right here. It's the same sound as I showed you before, I only changed the notes, and to give this area of the track more room and to make it more interesting, I added some pad sounds that sounded like this. As always, it has lots of random echoing and compression. The drums for the whole intro and build-up are pretty simple. Just a kick with some snares and stuff right here. In the drop it is pretty much the same. I only added some more snares to give it more power, and in the second part one added some shakers. And here I made a tom fill. Now we are coming to the most essential part of the song. The drop. The drop is quite big. I added some more bass sounds to make it extra thick. And I added these weird bass layer where I distorted the absolute crap out of it, haha. Here I added some more synth chords which are pads basically with a Labs piano. I also compressed the crap out of it. And I added a very high gate sound which really helps the high frequencies in the song. So guys, I think I showed you everything. Before we listening to it, I have to tell you that you can get the FLP for free with all the used samples and presets. So guys, have fun.
I had a dream. I got everything I want. Not what you think. And if I'm being honest, it might have been a nightmare. To anyone who might care. I had a dream. I got everything I want. But when I wake up, I see you. And you say, as long as I'm here, no one can hurt you. Don't wanna lie to you, but you can learn to. If I could change the way that you see yourself, you wouldn't wonder
Guys, thanks for watching. I love you.